I wonder what I'm gonna do a video on this week. Let's see. Wait, are those sleigh bells? I know what I'm gonna do a video on. I'm gonna do a video on Christmas tees or ugly Christmas sweaters or hoodies. Something about Christmas. You wanna hear it? Here it comes.
T-shirt help desk.
What's up, guys? Gary, T-shirt help desk, and 'tis the season. It's the holiday season. Another trip around the sun, and we are going to get it in. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make some Christmas money. All right, guys, every year people have holiday parties. People also have office holiday parties, and people have private holiday parties. Bang, 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 bang. And a lot of people have ugly Christmas sweater parties. And sometimes, people buy these like Christmas sweaters. But what if I told you you can use the same look, but you can do it as a t-shirt or a hoodie? And I'm going to show you how you can do it real easy like. So we're going to go over to ChatGPT and try to find some really cool Christmas sayings for t-shirts and maybe something a little naughty. So we're going to input our prompt. Hey, chat, I want to make some Christmas tees with funny sayings. I would like you to come up with some. I also want a few that are a play on words and perhaps some sexual innuendo. What do you have for me? Enter. And ChatGPT does not disappoint. Some of these are too hot for my family channel. I'll just pick a few. Wow, some of these are quite risque, so I'm not going to read them out loud, but what I am going to do is make a little document that shows my favorite one. So let me show you that. Slay my name, official member of the naughty list. I've got the North Pole right. Wow, I cannot believe that ChatGPT came up with that. Unwrap me under the tree. Let's get elfed up to snow good. Prosecco, ho, ho, ho. Resting Grinch face. I've got ho, ho, ho's and different area codes. You know I'm going to use that. So let's make some tees and hoodies. So I went over to Kittl. That's right, good old Kittl. And I just put in Christmas. I hit enter and I looked around and, it was cool. But you know what? I want those ugly Christmas sweaters. So I went back and I put in ugly Christmas sweaters and I saved these. Check this out. All right, guys, look at these amazing graphics that are already made for you. I mean, you get like slaying this Christmas, merry and bright. This is my ugly Christmas sweater. They already know that people are going to use these graphics for ugly Christmas sweater parties. All right, but we made these amazing little, or had ChatGPT make these amazing sayings, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to go in and we're going to turn these into ugly Christmas t-shirts, hoodies, whatever you want them to be. All right, like that. I mean, watch this. So we're going to start with this slay my name. We're not going to do all these, are just a general idea. So let's go back over here and you know what? Right here, this one is Twinkle Bright. Here we go. All right, we're going to go right here and let me show you how easy this is. Look, they already have, you can go around looking for fonts. They already have this font that looks like a Christmas sweater. And all you have to do is just copy, delete, and paste. Slay my name. All right. I'm going to get rid of that one. And it's like virtually done. Slay my name. So we're going to take that. Those are together. So we're going to, hold on. Let me put on my sexy specs here. Because we have to Whenever you see something and you move them in 2move, that means that it's locked. So we're gonna right click on that and hopefully ungroup. And we're just gonna move that over there and move that up. And that's done. So we're gonna go down here to the Christmas night. We're just gonna delete that. We're gonna take these, ungroup, so we can move those a little bit further apart. And we're gonna copy. Hold on, we're gonna get rid of this period. We're gonna copy, paste. There's 2 of them right there. All right, and we just pull that down. And guess what? That is a done deal right there. No more, it's done. That's it. Let's do another one. I got ho-ho-hos in different areas. You know we gotta do that, guys. And let's come back over here and let's see what we can come up with. Oh, you know what? Boom, this one right here. And we're just gonna go up here to where it says proud member. We're gonna click on that. I got ho. Now, we're gonna make that long like that, but we're gonna change that font. This font is cool, but we're gonna go back to that Merry Knitting, beautiful. And we're just gonna bump that up a little bit at the number right here, the font size. And we're gonna click just so that it's wide and it's, okay, that is good. And we're gonna go down here. This is, it's just gonna delete that. I'm gonna write indifferent. All right. Area codes. I'm gonna click on both of those. We're gonna do the same thing. Merry Knitting. And we're just, this one, we're gonna bump it up a little bit. No, the other way. And the one with the area codes, we're just gonna bump that one up a lot of way. And no worries for this. We're just gonna take that and move that down. Beautiful. Done deal records. Guys, I'm telling you, you put this out, you put it on a hoodie or a t-shirt, you can sell it all day. And we did it. You saw that. How quick was that? Kittl, baby. Let's do another one. You know, I'm not going to get too raunchy here. I'm just going to get this one up to snow good. That's pretty safe. It's a family channel. Let's go and, you know what? I like this one right here. Jingle all the way. We're just going to go right here. Up to, get rid of that. Snow good. And you know what I want to do? Well, first of all, I'm going to bump this up a little bit to fill up this space. I think this could just use something. And I think as opposed to this, we're going to get a Santa. We got the sleighs up here. That kind of represents, let's go get a Santa. You know what? This Santa right here is perfect. So guys, the great thing with Kittl, you can just very simply copy and paste. So we're going to get rid of that. And now we have a, oops. And now we're just going to make him smaller. And now we have a, look how awesome that is. So guys, we made 3 shirts like that. So guys, this shows you the power of using AI with ChatGPT, combining it with an awesome tool like Kittl and making really great t-shirts. You can use these, like I said, for anything. You can sell them for print on demand. You can sell them in the street. You can make a Christmas ugly sweater, t-shirt, or hoodie website and go completely crazy. Or you can just use it to make your own personal stuff to have a good time this holiday season. Anyway, guys, there's going to be a link for Kittl down in the description box. This just in, you can get 3 months free on a yearly Kittl Pro or Expert plan. Just use the code BF2024 at checkout. Back to the video. And also a full tutorial right here on YouTube. All right, it's right over there. You can just click right there and learn all about Kittl, absolutely free. Guys, I fooled around with y'all long enough. I'm finna put some butter on my shoes and slide on out the door. Happy holiday season. God bless. And until next time, peace.
T-shirt help desk.